Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mel here. In today's video, we are going to do this hairstyle. It's my first video without my hair extensions, and I wanted to do a video of me using my Shark FlexStyle on my natural thin hair. I bought that when I had hair extensions. It worked great for hair extensions, so I wanted to see how it worked on my natural hair and wanted to do like a video to show you guys a blowout if you do have thin, fragile hair. So this is my hair after having my hair extensions. It's a little damaged. The ends are, thinning out. So yeah, this is my first video without my hair extensions. So hopefully it's okay. The first week without them, I felt really bald and kind of sad about my hair. But after a few weeks, what are we on, week 3? My scalp feels amazing. I love washing my hair in the shower now because I don't have all those wefts. Styling my hair, this took like 10 minutes. It was great. So if you want to see how the Shark FlexStyle works on thin, fine hair like mine, it's not super long, but it's not short, but it is very fine. There's some damage in there. Then just keep watching. I also have a full video on me unboxing and trying out the Shark FlexStyle for the first time. I'll link it up here. That's when I had my long hair extensions. So if you have thick, long hair, check that video out. And this is for our thin, fine hair girlies to see if this is worth it for you. I already have it and I think it's really nice, and I think it's less heat and damage to help me grow my hair long and strong. So I am happy how it turned out. I'll have to try it a few other times, different ways, like with my hair a little more damp or maybe the next heat setting up. But yeah, I like how it turned out. My hair feels really soft, bouncy, voluminous, it's good. It's good. My hair is growing on me and I'm excited to see where I can take it. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. I upload all things beauty once to twice a week. If you want to see how to get this hair, then just keep watching. My hair air dry when I did my makeup. It got a little more dry than I wanted, but that's okay. When I got out of the shower, I put in 3 drops of the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair hair oil on my ends, and then for my leave-in conditioner, I used the Pureology 21 Benefits, and then I let it air dry. And then I'm gonna use a little more heat protectant because if you haven't noticed, I took my hair extensions out, and we're gonna try to take care of the hair. So I'm gonna go in with some more heat protectant. This is the Amika The Shield Anti-Humidity Spray. This is a heat protectant. I believe it also has SPF or something in it. I can't remember. I have the mini one because I'm trying it out. So I'm gonna use this to kind of dampen the hair a little bit more and as another heat protector. Just a little bit, because too much of this, you can definitely go overboard. Smells good, like all Amika products. Okay, and then I got this new brush, the Tangle Teaser. I actually really like it. It's still kind of wet from the shower because I'm trying to wash my brushes every week. So we're just gonna brush through to spread the protectant. So my hair is very thin, very fragile. I'm trying to repair it. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the hairdryer setting. I'm gonna use the lowest setting. My hair naturally air dries really quickly. It loses moisture really quickly, so I'm gonna be really gentle with it. And I'm gonna leave probably a little bit of dampness for the curling part. Also, if I didn't mention in the beginning, I have a full unboxing video that I show you me using it for the first time and with hair extensions. I'm trying it out without hair extensions for the first time, so I have not used this on my own natural hair, fine, thin hair, so we will see how it goes, so bear with me if I'm struggling a little bit. Also, I'll link the video above if you're interested in watching that as well. So I'm actually going to go in with the precision nozzle. Just clips in. Turn it for the hairdryer setting. This spins, so you can kind of turn it how you want. Okay, and it's pretty loud, so I'm just gonna kind of zoom through this part, but I think I'm gonna put it on the lowest heat and the lowest air. So usually next I would go in with a paddle brush, but I'm not doing like a smooth blowout. I want curls. I want to try the curler. So it's pretty good. I feel a little bit of dampness. So we're going to move on to the auto air wraps. I don't think I'm going to section my hair. I think I would just take pieces and then just go through. and see what we can do. The setting I'm gonna put it on is the lowest heat. You have to have the highest on the airflow to get it to wrap and stay around the barrel. I'm gonna zoom through this because again, it's loud. Alright guys, so that's the curls. It looks a little crazier than if you had long hair. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but definitely this side turned out better because I used smaller sections. I feel like I should have used smaller sections over here, but you can always redo pieces. Alright guys, so I just let it cool. So this is it on very fine, thin hair. I don't know. Maybe the hair needs to be more damp. Maybe I need to use on high heat setting, but I don't really want to do that. I mean, it looks pretty. It's like a pretty blowout. Again, my hair isn't super long, so you're not going to get much out of it. I honestly just love that for the hair dryer. It's just super powerful. I mean, at least it makes my ends look healthy and gives me lots of volume, so we'll have to keep playing around with it a few times. This is it on fine, thin hair. Yeah, that's about it. Better than like pin straight hair, you know, it's like really pretty. Alright guys, that was it for this video. If you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know down below. It's my first video without my hair extensions, and you know what? We're growing to love our hair. My scalp feels freaking amazing. I love showering now. And like styling my hair takes 10 minutes, so it's really great. And I'm getting used to my hair, and I'm just hoping to grow it long and strong naturally because love my scalp. Anyways guys, thanks for sticking along. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. I do all things beauty. I upload once or twice a week, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.